Tim from Toy Tinker Tim. We're going to be fixing a 1976 Mego Micronaut. And you may be asking yourself, why then is this G.I. Joe, Real American Hero from 1982, photobombing? Well, this Joe uses a build element from his predecessor. There's a T-hook and O-ring setup, and we'll be using the availability of those replacement parts to repair our vintage Micronaut. Original Micronaut T-hook is the dull looking one, so this replacement one that was made for the G.I. Joe figures is the shiny one there, and they're very similar, but you'll notice that the Mego one had the flat. It's not at an angle like the ones there for the G.I. Joe. So first step I'm going to do is get rid of that angle using the pliers just to kind of flatten that out, straighten it out. The T-hooks you can find on eBay. I've included a link below. It's my eBay affiliate link, and you can take a look and shop and peruse those. Getting access to the O-ring in the upper body is pretty simple. The two halves are held together by one small Phillips headed screw. You can see the original O-ring is dried and stiff, and I'll come back to this process after the T-hook is replaced. The legs have a single screw in the upper thigh, so removing that allows access to the ball joint socket area. The replacement T-hook ball is smaller than the original, but the notch in the leg is a good fit and it ensures a snug hold on that replacement. Going to the O-ring step, the O-rings that were used for the G.I. Joe figures are larger than what we're using here on the Micronaut. The O-ring size that I used is called a number 7. It's a 1/2 inch outer diameter, 3/8 inch inner diameter, and 1/16 inch thick. I've included the details below the video. So, placing the lower waist section over the T-hook and on top of the lower legs, I slip the O-ring under that hook first. It can be really tricky juggling the arm section, the head, and the back section. So patience and a flat surface to work on is a must on the step. So after screwing the back section onto the chest piece, the rest of this is a breeze. The repaired figure has equal articulation to the original and posability. That's the repair on this 1976 Time Traveler. There's incredible articulation. The figures were created by Takara and then sold under Mego here in the US. And so I hope you enjoyed the video. Got some useful information here. Hit the like, hit the share, and please do consider hitting the subscribe button to help the channel grow here on Toy Tinker Tim. Thanks for watching.